You can film on your own.
What happened?
I quit.
The ducks flipped them. This is our pet turtle.
I dropped it.
That's crazy. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. This is oh my beautiful. I'm gonna go to this side. What else we got? Anything crazy? Little one, little baby. Shh. My mom is in the room. I got all this stuff right here. There's the tank. Let me show you. I got buckwheat all over my hands. All right, mother. You ready?
Yeah.
Hey. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Today, you read by the title and thumbnail, we're surprising my mom with her dream aquarium. We're gonna get new fish for her today. We're gonna get plants for it. We're gonna set it all up. It's gonna be amazing. But that's towards the end of the video a little bit more. During today, we're actually filming a totally different video. It requires that too. So you'll see that on the channel soon. Hey, Tay. But yeah, U-Haul. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that. Today's gonna be epic. You see by the title and thumbnail, we're doing something really cool for my mom. She's probably gonna be stoked when she sees the outcome of this. It's one of the coolest aquariums. I don't know if you saw it in the thumbnail a little bit, but it's definitely unique. Never been seen before on YouTube. That's for a fact. Hey. You gotta be nice to your mom, you know that? Suzanne! Oh, okay, hi, Suzanne. That was a little, you didn't really finish off that one. Little baby, what's going on, little baby? We got little baby, we got all the goats up top. Of course, Boots is the highest. Mama goat right there, all the animals. Hello, everyone. Gary. I'm doing great this morning, how are you? When are you not hungry, Gary? Just when are you not hungry? These things are just so... The turtle's upside down. The ducks flipped them. This is our pet turtle. And the ducks just flipped him upside down while he was trying to run and get some pellets for himself. Zeba, go eat. Although you're probably too scared to eat now. Hey, get out of here. These things eat all my pellets for my ducks. Watch Boots, watch Boots. Got more food? This is for the goats. Make a perfect line. And they all eat.
My little baby.
Hey, little baby, come here. Mango. I came out here the other night and I threw watermelons like full speed at the ground. I gotta actually do that for a video. Just throwing big watermelons to the ground and the pigs would just rush up and just face deep in a watermelon. They loved it. It was like a big old treat for all of them. Look at that watermelon peel.
You can film on your own.
What happened?
I quit.
She's so scared of Suzanne. Suzanne, give me some nugs. See how Suzanne like charges like that? Taylor started crying. Taylor! Well, I'm a lonely man filming now. Last video, she was terrified of the cow.
Because he's coming. Come
Who?
on. Babe, stop.
Who?
Please come down.
Uh-oh. 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 Taylor's climbing the tree. Now she's terrified of Suzanne. Obviously, I never put Taylor in harm's way. Suzanne's not gonna do anything. Suzanne, you're an innocent turkey, aren't you? All right, everyone's eating over here. Everyone's good. Everyone's good? All right. I'm the eat hogs. Are you ready? When are you not ready, huh? There you go. And look at these guys and girls. How you doing? Look at our new pig. He's doing so good. It is unbelievably humid here in Florida. I have never not wanted to be outside so much in my life. I mean, quite literally, I hate being outside right now. It's that hot. There we go. Look how healthy the baby cow looks. You're looking good. Now, these are dairy cows, so they're always gonna have that bony look to them. Her coat is beautiful. Super, super good looking. They're super healthy. Same with Big Boy. Look at that muscle. And his horns are getting so darn big. Platinum's coming up and eating pellets. It's the coolest thing to watch. Oh, look at him. Gar, what's going on, Gar? Arowana. Big boy redtail. Oh. That is it from the farm. Y'all know I like to show the animals every single video and kind of give you an update on everything. Without further ado, I'm gonna go to the fish store and start picking out stuff. Live plants, fish, because we're getting fish for it. You know, substrate, the whole 9 yards. Going to do that right now. Strap in and enjoy the video. We're here at the fish store. Cuffaros, look at the tanks. Like, this just gives me the fish room vibes. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Imagine we put this sphere. I've showed this before on the channel, but imagine we put this tank right here, this Okay, I said sphere, I meant cylinder. Okay, I dropped out of school. Cylinder tank in the middle of the fish room and had all the tanks around it. Like, that could be a really cool idea. If you want to see me get this cylinder tank right here, let me know. Just let me know in the comments. Smash the like button and let me know in the comments. If we see enough likes and enough comments about it, maybe that's something we could do. Oh my goodness, though. Come on now, that's expensive. So as you know, we're here to get fish, but we always look around. Lots of tanks right here as well. Look at this. Look how tiny it is. Mark's got so many tanks today. Look at all these tanks. This tank is taller than me, Tay. Look at this. That's crazy. Oh no.
This little dark.
Oh no,
Well,
what's going on?
they both did, but the little dark one.
Oh, he's got me good. Oh yeah. What's up, Bubba? Oh my goodness, you are so cute. I love the all black. My experience with you is not that great. My finger got bit off when I was a kid. But you're just a little, oh, okay. I've showed this tank before actually. It's like the rimless, you can fill it up to like right there. This would be really cool to have like something small that swims around constantly. Starfish and stuff, you could, like a petting aquarium, similar to what you see in like a museum. That'd be kind of cool to have as well. This is the betta tower, and we're gonna be searching through the betta tower today to get some betta fish, so. Oh, perfect, they have all this little duckweed stuff too, and I wanted that. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. This is, oh my, beautiful. And maybe go to this side, what else we got? Anything crazy? Little one, little baby. All white, yeah, all red. There's a little pretty one. So cool, betta tower. That one's super, super pretty. What about this one? All blue? Focus, camera focus. There we go, that's cool. I'm liking this one, bro. 46 bucks, I'm liking this one better. Some more red ones up here. This is really cool. There's all sorts of stuff. Everyone looks at me like I'm crazy. I'm holding the camera up. Tarantula. Taylor, you want one of these?
No. Look.
We're also going to be shopping over in this area in just a little bit. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. You got little legs. So the plan is by the end of today, betta fish, pleco, and a couple live plants for the tank. We're going to make it really filled in. I'm looking at a plant right now that I'm getting 100%, and I'll show you it right now. And that is this one right here. Super cheap too. Oh my goodness, it's cheap. Nice and bushy filling. I like that. I love the Java ferns. I've had these in the past. I'm just gonna load it. I'm literally gonna load this tank with plants because the plants are actually our main source of filtration in this tank. There's no filter. It's crazy to say that, but there is none. The plants will be doing all the filtration for this aquarium. And I've done this in the past, but this is like the first time I think I've ever filmed doing something like this. Hey buddy. Little redfoot tortoises. Look at them all. One's buried. He's like, hey. Oh, they're best friends. They're best friends. Look at that.
So too.
A Malaysian leaf insect jungle nymph. I mean, hey, listen. It looks cool, but why? That's my question. You can get him from this side. There's his head right there. His two little things and his whole body. That's just, ooh, ah. That's creepy. I want to do something like this too in the fish room. I want to get like dart frogs or something cool, you know, something different. Let me tell you, Cuffaros, I could go on and on and on in this store. And you know, every time I go to a fish store, I like to walk around. But we gotta get straight to the point here. Look at all these fish. We are surrounded by fish tanks. Ooh, salt water. Don't look, Paul. Don't look. Close your eyes. Look this way. All right. We need to get live plants and a pleco and a betta fish and some more stuff for this tank. And then surprise my mom. I'm excited for this. My mom usually freaks out, so it's gonna be an awesome reaction, that's for sure. Oh, and I get to show you the backyard, what it's looking like. The old OG backyard. This video just can't get any better. This one's only $9.
Yeah, it's a white betta. It's not a full platinum like how this little guy is.
Yeah.
He might turn a little bit of colors later on down the road, like how you can see a little bit of yellow to a tan to him. He probably will just get a little bit of more of that. He won't stay the platinum white how this one will, but.
Cool. Look at the colors on him. I almost don't even want to walk away from him. I think if we do any, we should just do a platinum, like you know, a cool, like that. Let's do this one.
We're gonna do the platinum.
Yeah, can I get some of this too?
Of course.
Like how much of it? Do you sell a bucket, a thing of it?
Yes, we do have some over
Perfect.
there.
Okay, that's what I'll do. That one is cool, but it's double this. This is $46 for a betta fish. That's crazy. And white, I think, is gonna stand out in this aquarium, especially because everything's dark. All right, that's the betta. Now we gotta get some plants. And I'm gonna do a little baby. What's the smallest plecos you got? Oh yeah, look at those. Those are tiny.
Those would be the tiny.
Oh, let's do one of these. These are cool. So we're gonna do one of these long, thin plecos as well on top of the betta fish, and then we'll go get some plants. Orange one in the back. What's that? Thing's like orange. I like him. Can we get that one? Yeah, let's do that. That's like wow. Perfect. One of the Java ferns. Just load it with plants. That's the goal. Perfect. Maybe one of those? Yeah, one of those. It's gonna be super dope. I'm gonna make this so cool. That's it, lots of live plants. We're good. We're scooping a bunch of this duckweed stuff because they didn't have one in bulk, but we're gonna put it all over the top of the aquarium, so. Oh yeah. That's all. That did it. I got a good amount of it. Cool, good stuff. Bam. Perfect. I need to feed the eel, so I need some of these because the eel eats this stuff. All right, we're officially all set to go. We got crab clusters for the plants, buckwheat, pleco, betta fish, and a debit card. We're good to go. My mom is in the room. I got all this stuff right here. There's the tank, let me show you. You know what? She's gonna figure out that I'm here. I gotta just tell her not to come out. Just tell mom not to come out. I gotta set up the tank. So Zenaqua, a company at Aquashella, actually gave my mom this aquarium. I don't know if you remember, but here's the clip. Zenaqua. My mom wanted one of these tanks and the boys are hooking her up, so here we go. Which one?
This is the one I fell in love with when I was walking around.
They actually hooked manager TJ up with a tank as well. We're gonna do something really cool with them in the future. Perfect. Yeah, so this is what it's gonna be like. That. You're sitting like that. Nice. Knuckles.
I'm so excited.
Thank you. You got it. They gave her this awesome, beautiful aquarium, and my mom obviously doesn't know how to escape it, so I've got all the stuff we just went and did, obviously, got everything for the tank, and it's super cool because it's unique. No one else has anything like this. Here it is. It's about, I would say, good like 3 gallons. Super natural, real tree stump, trimmed and coated with like a clear finish on it. I don't know, but it looks really, really good. And as you can see, this light, all I gotta do is plug this into here. Let me show you. Boom. See that? And then it lights up and it's just super natural. It just looks so good. So today we're gonna make this really, really cool. Plants, a bunch of live plants. Everything's real because like I mentioned, this is our filtration. Buckwheat stuff right there, look at that. Some of that stuff, this is gonna make the whole entire aquarium look amazing. It will also provide a lot of shade, which will prevent a significant amount of algae growth inside the tank. We have BETTA, name down below. Go comment a name down below. And then our pleco. Now before we get into all this, just real quick I want to show you what I did back here. But look at the landscape. I completely took out all the bushes, so it's now like empty. That's as much as I'm going to show. I'm not going to show you any more because that's all for another video. Subscribe, I'm just telling you, hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 2 million. We are literally like 10,000 subscribers away. 2 million, we are almost there, Cuffaros. Now back inside and let's do this tank. Enough talking. First things first, water, watch this. Just like that, water is inside the aquarium. We got already a piece of driftwood in there that's super cool. It's actually perfect for the fish that we have. A pleco actually prefers to eat wood and just suck on it constantly, so it's good to have a piece of wood in there, which we do. It came with it. It already came with substrate, that's why I didn't end up buying any substrate. I remembered that. It also has a bunch of little rocks in there for some structure at the bottom. One of the coolest scapes I've ever done for sure. We got a lot of plants to work with and not a big aquarium, so we might not use them all. But that's the point, I wanted more than less, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're looking like right now. Now we're gonna open up all our live plants. The whole goal of this tank is to be very, very extremely planted. I've mentioned that once before. Place the plants in the driftwood like that. I literally put it in there. Check it out. Now it's nothing crazy. I kind of just put a bunch of plants. It gives them plenty of space to kind of swim throughout it. It looks a little bit more clustered on camera, I won't lie. If I just give you a circle around, you can see there's lots of space, especially in the front here, and plenty of space for him to hide, because you know, betta fish love to just lay and relax on these leaves. So this is the perfect environment for a betta fish right here. I mean, he's going to be more happy than ever. We obviously got the pleco that'll be stoked as well. Just the pleco and him in here. He's got a little buddy. This could not get any better. I have never seen something so cool, this wood structured tank before in my life. I'm in love with it. I got the table a little bit messy. I can't show my mom that. I gotta clean that before she gets out here. But yes, the plants are in now. Remember, the final touch will be this right here. This is just gonna be the final touch. It'll make everything look so much better. And I'm definitely not gonna need that much of it. So maybe we'll bring some of that home. Here is our pleco. We're gonna put him in first. Oh, we're right there. Oh, we're gonna be perfect on time. I mean, I literally showed up at the perfect time. She was in there getting ready. By the time she's out, boom. Look at how pretty and orange he is. Woo! There he is. Beautiful, perfect choice. Like, I mean, literally perfect. Now, for the betta fish. Here we go. betta fish going in. Gonna give it a couple minutes, and then we'll get the betta fish into its new aquarium. I just touched up a couple plants inside the tank, and I tell you what, it looks actually a lot better. I just moved one from that side all the way to this side. Looks good. Let's keep acclimating. Right in. Ooh, that release though. Look at that fish. Beautiful. Live plants, beautiful aquarium. It looks so good. But now, the finishing touch. Put it in, just like that. Come on. I got buckwheat all over my hands. Insane. The top looks crazy. Supernatural. Betta fish is swimming around throughout everything. Our pleco is right there hanging on. Look at him do circles. This came out amazing. All right, mother. You ready? Yeah. Oh my, what are you waiting at the door?
I can't wait.
All right, wait a sec, don't look. Hello, you look so pretty.
Thank you.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got all the weed stuff in it, like, oh my gosh. Hello, little albino.
Platinum.
Platinum. Oh, I love them. Oh, this is gorgeous. Thank you so much.
Right?
I just love how natural it looks with all this.
Right? That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
I think the weeds make everything look so natural.
Especially with all the
Look
wood
at 'em.
here. You know, the
Look at
whole
'em.
thing is like rainforesty type cool. Hi, buddy. Oh, thank you.
You see the pleco?
No, where?
Can you take a look for him?
Can I get my glasses? That's better.
All right, take a look. You'll find him real quick. You'll find him real quick.
Oh, I was looking for a black one. He's orange.
Yeah, he's orange.
My favorite color.
Really? I didn't even know that. Cool.
I
What do you think,
love
Ma?
it. I love it. Thank you so much.
That right there is one of the coolest things I've ever made, for
I
sure.
love it. Those guys were so awesome. That was
Yeah,
so
they
nice.
were.
of
Zan
them to do
Aqua,
that.
shout out to you because you made this happen as well. This is just super, super
Look
cool,
how
man.
beautiful it looks. The whole, it just gives that whole feel.
The natural vibe, you know what I'm saying?
That's a natural vibe.
Looks really, really cool.
Thank you, Chloe.
All right, now I'm gonna take it apart and take it to my house. That cool?
No shot, son.
Thank you all so much for watching. As always, I will see you right back here in that next one. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. We're almost at 2 million. See you later. Peace.